On this episode of Shit Talkers, we are taking apart a broke-ass truck. That do. Wait a minute. What the hell happened here? Okay, well, I was being an idiot and I hit someone. Easy as that.
Having fun. Where's that? Oh, there's a screw or a yeah.
Merca. Dang. The danger zone. Having to go. Well, this ain't working, but this needs to go in a charger. It's like almost dead.
Too small.
It's too small? Small. Small. Where's the screw? Hold on, I need a light. Danger zone. I'm on to you. Just letting you know that.
I've been PG, you know that, right?
I'm sorry?
I've been PG this entire time.
Uh-huh.
Except for when I trip over the board.
What screw are you trying to unscrew? That one?
Yeah.
That doesn't... If you feel back here, that's not fixed to anything. It's not fixed to anything.
Right here. That's what connects.
No, we're taking the whole thing out.
Exactly.
So why would we take it out? You're a hopeless case sometimes. You know that, right? Usually it's 10 millimeter, not 11. You found it? Oh. You're asking the wrong person, Jake.
There we go. There's one. Now we see if that's the right one.
Life. I think you're spending a little too much time on that bolt. It's not doing anything.
Uh-huh. Come on. Ow!
Yeah, why do you think I asked to put on gloves? Yeah, you better watch your mouth. Excuse me? What'd you say? I can't hear anything. Whoa! Back down. Put some gloves on, dude. This world from dragon. Ow! Did I just break that? No. How mad you are right now? Ugh. What is this song? Well, I'm asking. Jake, what is this dreadful music? I don't know what this is. Hey Jake, how about you help me, please?
What do you need disconnected?
This.
What?
This.
Oh. Get her off there. Hold him there.
You can let go.
Alright, yeah.
That's leaking. That's coolant.
Might have to see that.
Smell.
I'm not smelling that. But, well, I mean, you could take it out. I mean, it's not the worst thing to leak out, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
It could be oil.
It could be oil.
Okay, turn that off, save some battery real quick.
Okay, shush you. Okay, that's like a lot.
Yeah, that's all the coolant. I mean, there could be way worse things that could fall out of this thing. Coolant isn't one.
Yeah, but I don't want to like just let it drip.
I mean,
It's on the sides. It smells like antifreeze. Squishy.
hey.
Glazing! It's like Squirtle. Squirtle! Oh.
I'm gonna throw a screwdriver at you. Mock Jesus.
I'm not.
Yeah.
But
And how much coolant is in it? That's the issue.
there's probably. Well, look. No, is this just washer fluid?
That's washer fluid. Oh.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah, just let it drain!
You might not want to flood the shop though. Yeah, it's fine.
I have to
See,
clean.
That's not even antifreeze.
Yeah, you would smell it. Okay, now that that whole shenanigans is all done and over with.
It's empty. I think we're at a predicament. It's a little bit empty on washer fluid.
I'm about to kick you at the speed of
Mock Jesus?
almost.
No, I'll send an infant going Mock Jesus. That'd be fun.
You would send an infant?
Mock Jesus, yeah.
Why would you do that?
Well, if they're irritating me saying, you got games on your phone? Yeah, I'm gonna punt them to Canada.
What? Only to Canada?
Actually, no, I'll probably punt them to Germany, and then they could, like, deal with Nazi Germany.
Yeah.
They could deal with the Germans.
They can deal with the Germans.
That's perfectly fine by me. Well, I'm Irish.
Exactly.
But I'm not, like, from Ireland, so I can't say I'm directly Irish, but
Okay, so I got that
I
off.
have Irish blood. Oh.
What?
Let's see.
How about you? Hey, dude, how about you get a stepping stool instead of standing on my truck? Oh my goodness!
Wait. That's a light.
That is a light. Well, oh, did you take off this bolt over here?
Bolt.
There's a bolt right here.
I did not then.
Yeah, there's a bolt right here.
Didn't even know there was a bolt.
Well, maybe look.
15?
Too big. This is an oldie. Oldie but a goodie, I suppose.
Make a sound. Oh.
What?
Oops.
How dare you?
There. Hello.
9. 8. 9. Yeah, there's one over here too. So.
It's written on
your face. It's a 10mm? Are you kidding me?
And it's gonna be us vibing out.
You gotta be kidding me.
That's gay. Let me see it.
Give me a socket. Stop using wrenches. I know you want to use them, but come on. I need a socket. Give me a 10mm socket. Socket. Socket.
Like the alcohol sake?
Sake. I could go for a good sake.
You know, sake actually really isn't that bad.
I've never tried it, so I don't know.
It's just rice wine.
Just listening to white music.
Yes.
Well, technically this isn't white music since it's Rihanna.
Still listening mostly from white people. The majority of Rihanna's listeners are white. So.
Have a little over here. Gracias.
I don't know if this is coming. It is. I think. Yeah, we're just gonna go with that. This is the perfect day to die.
Skip the song. Because I don't know it. on video too? Come on.
No, wait, Charlie, no.
You kidding me? 3/8 isn't big. And of course 7/16. Too big. I swear, if you do not show me the just right, I'm about to chuck something at your face.
4/8.
It feels like 3/8 is like the one to go. Or 10mm, which we don't have.
Maybe that was cool.
What?
I don't know if that was cool.
I found it! It's probably, the coolant probably already emptied.
Willing to sacrifice our love. Oh. Oh.
Where's it wedged from?
Oh.
Oh, perfect.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
That's the coolant line. You just pull it off. Oh, that is coolant.
Tip it up, pendejo!
I'm not a pendejo.
It was the first thing that came to mind.
Right here. Ouchie. Do the ouchie boo-boo on your finger. You know what we ought to do?
What?
You might want to let go.
What?
You might just want to let go real quick.
Why?
Pull it
No!
out. I gotta like...
Oh.
There we go. Go. Twist. Is it really threaded?
No.
Oh. Shit. I'm gonna do a jump.
Holy mo!
Oh, it's a great shot.
Would you like to dance?
No.
The marimba rhythm starts to play. Dance with me, make me sway.
Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore. No, mommy's way.
We need to disconnect. We have to finish disconnecting this. Where's that screwdriver? It's right here.
I wanna do it.
Just be very gentle.
Sway me more.
No, not on one side. Like, go around it. Alright, come over here.
Alright, just pull that. Now pull this out.
Okay.
Hands with me, make me sway. Ooh.
What? What? What about this?
Oh, there we go. There we go. It's off.
Look how much movement we have now.
Bonk. Well, this is in the base. No, we added them.
Oh, Bertha! Where's... Oh, right. I put it on the charger to charge.
Oh, here you go.
Man, I got a story to tell.
Oh, my... Hit me with an 800.
Then I lost my patience.
Alright, I need a...
He said, oh no, and then he tried to run away. And I said, no, you messed up my
Okay, Did.
No.
Yes.
Around and catch a sting while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. Don't mess with me.
Did you?
While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. Mess around and catch a sting.
While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing.
While I'm jellyfishing. It's over with. I tried to tell people that jellyfishing is my...
Oh yeah. Let's get this going. I travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made when I to decide. I traveled the world in the 7 seas. Everybody.
Oh. Pull from that side. That works
Ow.
too.
What?
That works too. It came off. Let's go. Am I to disagree? Oh. Okay. Need that one then. You know what you gotta do? Hamburgers.
Ah, it did.
Turn out to be
Hamburger.
hamburger.
Hamburger. Hamburger.
Think of hamburger.
No. That one. Alright, scoozies. Just trying to loosen it.
Hamburger.
It's not out, dude. It's still there. Go get a giant Allen wrench. That was fast. Too big. Oh, you're a wizard.
I'm gonna have to probably blank that one out.
Yep. Maybe.
Where? Come on, baby. You know what that means? Okay. That worked. That.
Oh.
There's all sorts of broken stuff in there. That's not good.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Okay. Hold on.
Carburetor?
Carburetor's up here, dummy.
What was it? Dude, that's kind of crazy to me that stuff. That was broken. I saw it in there when I was up there.
Yeah.
That's bad. I didn't think that much had actually gotten broken just because I thought it was this dented, but I was like, dang.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
bad, yeah.
That is bad.
I was just have to
Wait,
okay.
Dude.
So what? Oh.
that goes to the transmission cooler. So we have to get.
That off.
So it's this one up here.
Which is connected right here. What kind of bolt is in here, bro?
Alright.
Oh, that's good.
Yes!
That is leaking something.
That is transmission fluid,
God.
brother.
Good to know we don't need it.
Holy schnickerfoodles.
Hey, we made it pretty far.
Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.
You're gonna have
Let it loose, brother! Woo!
Alright, so
This.
how are we gonna get that out? Or not? It's bent.
It's bent, but I mean,
Oh.
what type of wrench is that?
What type of wrench is it?
You know, just humongousaur over there.
Mhm.
Yeah. We have giant
We have big wrench.
we have big wrenches over here.
Immediately.
You require bigger?
That's what he said. Alright.
Inch and a half. I swear, if this does not the electrical system. Oh yeah, 100%.
Turbocharger's bad.
Yeah,
Damn.
but damn, you destroyed the electrical system to it.
That takes
Something.
talent. I don't know.
That takes. Time is it? It's 6 o'clock.
We've only been out here for like an hour. You might watch your face in
It
case a hamburger kills your everything.
My beautiful face.
Yeah, you might not want to leave. Pull that one out. Oh.
Like pull this one out. Oh, never mind. I can just.
Oh, that works. Just bend it. Bland. Hamburger.
No. Maybe. Woo! Woo! Hey, buddy!